everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu and the Crew. Today we show what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. I know it's a little bit late going up. I hope you saw my community post. My daughter had back-to-back gymnastics competitions, so it put me a little bit behind schedule. But this is obviously for Tuesday, December the 12th, 2023. So let's go shopping and see what's new over in Apparel and Accessories. We have these copper care gloves. It says it soothes aches and muscle pains. You get 2 pieces in a packet, and they're supposed to be like a compression style glove. They have the kiwi style shoelaces, and these are the longer styles. You've got the 45-inch of the neon yellow or the neon orange. They also have these mossy oak socks. These are the moisture wicking work socks. They are crew length. They fit shoe sizes 10 to 12, and we've got them in the white, black, or gray, and they all have a different color toe and heel with the reinforced material at the bottom, and they are all cushioned. We've also got the children's sizes of the long sleeve brown shirts. Over in the arts and crafts, they had these wooden beads with the elastics. We've got the longer wood beads in the pink, green, purple, yellow, and blue, or the traditional smaller wood beads already painted in the same colors. And again, those come with the elastic already in the packaging, so you can make different like necklaces or bracelets or use them whatever it is you like to use those for. Some new stickers. We've got the 3D style balloons, the gifts. They have some really cute little bunny rabbits. These all have that like silvery border with that shimmer. It kind of looks like a rainbow when you move it and the light hits it in different ways. But there's a whole bunch of packets of these stickers out this week. They have pigs. They're all wearing like hats and sunglasses, which seems to be the theme throughout with the animals. Like even the flamingos here have sunglasses and hats on. And then we've got, of course, these little dogs with the long ears wearing their sunglasses. My favorite are the fireflies. I think they look the most realistic, and I love the soft pastel colors that they blended together to make the fireflies. Then we've also got these bumblebees with the flowers, and again, some of them are wearing hats. Those are really cute. We've got the wreath rings in the 2-pack from Floral Gardens. These are the 8-inch wired wreath rings. Also, the chalkboard tags by Crafter's Square. You get 6 pieces in a packet. They have the round chalkboard tags in a traditional tag shape with the little string at the top and the eyelet. Some new gemstones. We've got the flowers. They come in purple, blue, green, pink. We've also got the hearts. You get 32 pieces in a packet, and there are butterflies. Some new flowers out for spring, or the beginning of spring, or maybe closer to the Valentines Day. We've got the peonies restocked in a bunch of different colors. They're starting to restock the hydrangeas, and they have the carnations in a bunch of different colors, and that's replaced all of the like poinsettias and like pine cones and things like that they've had out for Christmas time. We've also got these DIY wood palette house signs in the dark brown and in the white. Already has the hanger attached. Some of their wooden DIY crates. We've got a bunch of them with the different size, like they have all different cutouts for the handles. And then there are the wood cubes, which are the really light pieces of wood that are 2 inches by 2 inches. And last but not least, the air dry clay. Over in the health and beauty aisle, we'll start with the cosmetics. Just a few items to show this week. We've got the Pretty Woman 12-pack of the faux nails, glue not included. They're all with this really pretty design on the top. There's a couple different choices that you could go through. The Be Pure Cuticle Oil Balm, which comes in this lipstick style tube. It says this is infused with like shea butter and vitamin E and coconut oil. Over in the hair care aisle, they've got these fashion accessory scrunchies, which is like a faux leather, and it's got this really pretty soft fur around the outside edge of the scrunchie. and you get one scrunchie for the $1.25 in the faux leather, or they've got the 3-pack of these scrunchies here on the gray cards, and there's a couple different variations on each card. Now we've got the Gimme Comfort head wraps. These are the ultra strong, extra thin. It says it's reversible, bow or knotted between the solid black, or they have the gray and black stripes. So there's the 2 different packs of those head wraps by that Gimme brand. There's also the No Break Design claw clips, and it says it is curved for comfort. We've got the 4-pack of the activewear scrunchies, and then the Gimme Gentle Hold Stay in Place All Day bobby pins here. Now for the fun finds, this week I found these Crayola sticker activity pad. It's got the Monopoly characters in game. You get 25 coloring pages and 2 sticker sheets that have all the different Monopoly characters and pieces on there. Lots of different games and coloring pages. You could also get the Candyland version of this activity pad. And again, it's got the 2 sheets of stickers and the 25 coloring pages and activities. I found those over by the school supplies. Over in Home Decor, they have these new gold framed art pieces. You could either hang them or set them on a shelf. They've got the easel back, they've got the rectangle, and then the round one. They're all gold with the black insert for the Special Moments Memories collection. Some more of these little baskets. They now have a little bit larger one that sits a lot shorter than the more round, taller baskets. So it's more of like a little display, I guess. They've also got some more of their stretched canvas pictures, lots of different versions. I'll just show a few of them. They just keep putting out a bunch of boxes of these each week, and each one holds a bunch of different variations of the stretched canvas pictures. Now for the office supply, home library, and teaching tree, they have these booklets. Comes with a pen. You open it up and it's got a bunch of different like list pads and those little sticker sheets that have the adhesive backing. And there's a couple different versions with the post-it notes inside. And there's these wire metaled envelope holders for the desk organizers. They have those in the gold and in the rose gold, or you can get the wire tape dispensers, which coordinate with those letter holders for your desk set. Over in the kitchen and pantry, we've got these new bags of the select soup and oyster crackers. They also have the Oreo assorted cool winter designs, and then these espresso beans and 2 different flavors. For the party supplies, they had the fringe backdrop restocked. You could get them in the blue, this really bright magenta pink. You can also get them in gold, or they have it in a rainbow packet. They have their metal trays restocked, which they don't always carry, it seems now. They just put them out for like special times of the year. And then the neon 30-pack of the 4 color shot glasses. I thought those were really pretty. Over in the pet care aisle, they have a bunch of these larger rope tug toys. Sometimes it's hard to find the really big ones. They have those really thick, big ropes out in these different colors, or you can get the dog toy chew bones here, and they have them in a bunch of colors. And those are those really hard, firm bones. They're a little bit harder for larger dogs to chew up. For the seasonal items, they have restocked a few of their winter items. We've got this garland with the pine cones restocked. They have it in white, which has like a little bit of like a snowy finish to it. You can also get them in the silver or the gold finish, and they're all on this long wired like wires. You could unroll it or keep it wound up there. And then they have the extra large glitter plastic snowflakes and the 3-pack of the mercury glass votives with the snowflakes. They also have some animated video books. They have Jingle Bells and Up on the Housetop, or you can get these really cute 10-inch gnomes in the gray or the red, and they have different hats at the top. There's 4 different altogether, just based on like what their hats look like. They have restocked the DIY wood pieces like the snowman, the truck that has the Christmas tree in the background. There's the gingerbread man, the snowflake. You could also get a restock of the DIY Santa, the extra large star. And then they had a few different trucks as well. They had this little car here, and then this car also. And those were all over by the winter items. They restocked the berries also. You get 36 without the snow, and then they have some with the snow. Then I found these new tumbler cups this week with the plaid glitter. I thought these were really pretty, and the red and green. It says the most wonderful time of the year. Home for the holidays, enjoy. And about a week ago, I showed you guys some that were blue that had the glitter background. And then they have the ones that look like the Christmas bulbs also. So I hope you guys will check those out in like last week's video. So there's all the different tumbler cups, and they have a few Valentines items starting to make their way out. We have the heart ribbon in the pink, red, and white. They also had some of their like bath sponges that say love. There's a view from the side, and they have some that were hearts, and they've had these bath sponges out in the past. So those are the first of the Valentine's Day items that I've seen so far. They also have these frames, but they've had these out all winter, but they had them out last year around Valentine's Day as well. And they were more geared towards like pets. So it says like friends or family are those you choose, and love me little, love me long. And it's got a picture of like the animal inside the little frame there. They also had the date night spinner. So you just spin it and tells you all the different things you could do for date night. And that's what it looks like on the back there. And the last thing I found was the wooden beaded heart wreath. And it's on that really thick wire border there, and lots of different roses and springtime flowers that they're starting to put out. Now for the toys, games, and entertainment, they have these cute little teddy bears that have the plaid feet and a bow tie. So the light tan one has this rose-colored bow tie and feet. They also had it in white with the gray. There's a dark brown. It kind of had like a different color brown for the bow tie and the feet. There's the 3-in-1 classic board games, and then the special delivery pop out, kind of like a cardboard paper doll that you can color. And then they had the rainbow corns. I think that's how you say it. Hatchimals, Paw Patrol. So you get like the markers, the different stand-up characters. Then they had the grow characters that you put in the water and watch grow over a few days. A bunch of different like dinosaurs. And then there is the mold, it's called Model Fluff, and it's the Sesame Street version of the Model Magics. It's that really soft, kind of like buttery style modeling clay. They had those in red, green, and yellow. And then for the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 and $5 items, they have this really pretty silver and white light up tree topper for $5. And then the leaning door sign that says welcome. I don't remember seeing this one before. They have the yard stake that's the glitter snowman. Some new toys. They've got the extra large dump truck for $5. And then there's the front loader, or the 6-pack of the little cars. It's the pull back and go. They have the $3 swimming mermaid. The Play-Doh packs. It's a super pack where you get 5 colors. One has silver in it and one has gold. I apologize, I showed the mermaid again. There's also these RC cars. You do need batteries for those. There's a whole bunch of them in different colors. They had like red, orange, yellow, white, black, and green. Then there are these monster trucks in blue and in green. They also had their blankets. There's the gray and white buffalo plaid, the 50 by 60 inch blankets. They had a whole bunch of different versions of those. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.